It's a feast.
Yes.
And you've got the
No, but
you got the pie. You are now a YouTube star.
Wow.
See? I told you. I told you.
Good.
Philippines has it all. Mabuhay. Hello, we are down near Diversion 21. There's a bunch of KTV bars here, disco bars, but we're not here for that. As much as she has a wonderful voice and loves to sing, but only privately so far. She's got to become more Filipina, you know? Then she will sing more. But yeah, we are down here to get apparently some of the best dessert anywhere in ILOILO City. So we're excited. Somebody loves dessert.
I'm so excited. I saved a little bit of room so I can have some baked goods.
Right, right. So do you love dessert?
I love
No,
dessert.
she doesn't love dessert.
I
She doesn't
love
want any.
Best meal of the day.
So where we're going is called Louis. And we've heard such good things about it. Let's go check it out. Bakery by Louis. Look at that. Strawberry bomb, frozen lemon meringue, banoffee pie. Wow.
The frozen
Tiramisu, frozen mango pie. Oh, look at the ube cake. Ube cakes. Not sure what that one is. Salted caramel tart. Chocolate mousse.
This looks, I've never seen this before.
Mango brazo. Wow. And ice cream turtle. And even more over here. I can't say all these names, but Coco Sinal. I think the T is probably silent. Ube swirl. Calzones. Wow, calzones are delicious. Olive bread. Cranberry walnut bread. Cheese bombs. Pork buns. Frozen chicken. Duck pow. Oh, it just keeps going. Keeps going and going. Butter cheese bars, banana muffins, chocolate eclairs, Napoleons, bread pudding. Oh, even more cakes. Look at this. Chocolate blackout, ube trois. Niggy Minaj. Not sure. Coco de leche. De leche. Walnut cake, coffee prune tort, chocolate genie, red velvet. Oh my goodness, there's just so much here. Snickers pie. I can't even say that. You gonna give it a shot? Give it a shot.
Itchuberry.
Itchuberry. Uh-oh, is there a special of the week? There was a special. It looks like Monte Cristo was last special. Any specials today? Everything's special. That's the answer. Everything is special. Oh, and look, there's the ice creams of the day. You got dark cocoa, soy sauce caramel. Wow. Super chunky fudge. That sounds delicious. Ube and yakulet. Yakut. I think it's Yakut, guys.
Strawberry bomb.
Yeah, doesn't that look amazing? I think you'd have to buy the whole thing and be like a big bomb.
I know, I feel too bad because you can get slices of everything, right?
Oh,
but
yes.
I'm like, I don't want to ruin
You don't want to
that.
ruin the bomb.
But I might ruin this one.
Oh, yes. Mango is her favorite, guys.
And mango brazo, I don't know what it is, so I want to try it out. They all look so good. Oh, also, okay, tiramisu is like one of my favorites, so that one looks good.
Too much dessert, though, can be a bad thing. Yeah, you know, you gotta watch that waistline. But not today. Not today. Not today. And by the way, she's jumping into this mango thing, but we are going to Boracay Island, so she should be saving her mango stuff for that little trip, I think, and trying something else today. That's just my suggestion, but she's always loved mango. Even back in Canada, it was her most favorite fruit. So
Mango's expensive in Canada.
it's a hard decision. We could be here all day.
I can't pick. It's too hard.
You can't have it all, darling. You can't have it all. No matter what the song says, you can have it all.
Okay, maybe I'll get the frozen lemon meringue. I literally don't know. Okay, maybe I'll get the tiramisu, cheesecake, and then ube. Okay, I'm gonna get tiramisu.
Daddy, can I have a goose?
I'm gonna get the tiramisu cheesecake.
All right.
With ube, a scoop of ube ice cream.
Wow, with the ice cream. Okay, okay, cool. We're ready. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, let's do it. Could we get
Yes, sir.
tiramisu with a scoop of ube ice cream, a Snickers pie, just a slice, not the whole pie, and
Ube ice cream.
ube ice cream. If you're looking for the bakery, it is right by this place, a Barrio Inicial, which seems to be a very popular place. A lot of people have been eating here as well. Hello, how are you guys? Is the food good?
Yeah.
Yeah, we already ate lunch, but we're having dessert. But oh my goodness, look at all this food. It looks amazing.
Just the two of us.
Wow, it's a feast.
Yes.
And you've got the
No, but
you
it was
got the
three of
pie.
us plus a dog.
Okay, well, oh my goodness. Look how cute you are. Hello. Oh, you're adorable. You are now a YouTube star. What's his name?
Arrow.
Arrow. Hello, Arrow. Oh, you are wonderful. Look at you. Enjoying the wind. Yes.
He likes fresh air.
And you know, is a good puppy. You know why? Because you have all this food here and he's over here just chilling. Right? He's not trying to eat all your food. Oh.
Salty.
What's that?
Salty.
It's salty?
Salty for a dog.
Oh yeah, dogs shouldn't have that much salt. I agree. Yeah. It's not healthy. And you can feel his coat. You guys do take very good care of Arrow. What's that? Yeah. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Have a good dinner or lunch. All right, we ready?
Yeah, ready for cake?
The cake's gonna be ready now. We just took a little look outside. Oh, here we go. Snickers pie. Tiramisu cake.
That's big.
And ube ice cream. We all love ube.
I'm ready to dig in.
Okay.
Oh no, give her the more. Give her
Oh, give her the more. Yeah, no.
You should take.
So she's already eating all that.
Yeah, no, we're gonna share. We're gonna share. I love tiramisu, honestly, and it's frozen, which is even better. Oh, I haven't had cake in a little bit. This is so good. Yes, tiramisu. Oh, that is amazing, and it's cheesecake too. So it's a mix of my two favorite cakes. It's perfect. This is actually perfect.
And so these cakes are baked all within the family. Her mother and her brother are the bakers. And then the storefront people is the sister. And of course, employees. And so it's a whole family family venture. And yeah, I'm excited.
What are your thoughts, huh?
Real peanut butter. Real peanut butter. I know. I see how jealous you are right now. This is real peanut butter. Delicious caramel. All good ingredients. Like, you know, this isn't some store-bought thing or anything like that. This is absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. And look at these, like peanuts, whole.
Wow.
No, this is really, really good. Oh, you know what? I think you're probably jealous of mine.
A little bit, but
Just
I love
saying.
tiramisu, so.
Yes, but you love Snickers too, so. This is better than Snickers, to be very clear. I don't even know why you name it Snickers, because Snickers has nothing on you. I'm not even a dessert guy. I might become one.
Wow, it looks good.
You're gonna have to wheel me out of here. Just roll me out.
Or just stay.
The funny thing is, you can find everything in the Philippines. Everything. Like, you just have to find out where the gems are, like this. And you can have like the best food you've ever had in your life. The Philippines has it all. What did I tell you? What did I tell
I
you?
just wanted to try it.
She ordered this and this, but she still has to steal from me.
Wow.
See? I told you. I told you.
That's good. I'm gonna take a little more.
No, stop.
Just taste sesame.
Is this what marriage is about? Is this what marriage is about?
It's give and more give.
She's not wrong. She's not wrong. You know what they always say, like, everything that's yours is mine and everything that's mine, is what most wives will tell you.
You can wear my sweaters if you want. I don't mind.
Oh yeah, I'm 6'4". Guess who wears all of my clothes and I can never wear any of theirs? Can you guess?
Including boxers.
Oh yeah, she's wearing my boxer underwear, you name it. I think you all know what I mean. This is how life works. Absolutely delicious. Love this place. We definitely recommend it.
Look at the little spoons. Look how fancy that is. Yeah, I love ube, so I'm excited. I'm so excited for this. Okay. Oh, this is so good. It's not like too overpowering. It's actually really, really good. Yeah. I'm like a big ice cream eater, so this is amazing. This is so good. Oh, this is awesome.
Okay, I was wrong. We're gonna be wheeling you out of here.
Yeah, it's over for me, okay? This is my new house.
Right. So, the reason is that we're saying this is so good is you gotta realize the texture of this is not like ice cream. It actually has all natural ingredients and it tastes absolutely delicious without being overly sweet.
Yeah, they don't use normal sugar. They use something different. It's like cocoa sugar.
Cocoa sugar, that's why. But yeah, you can taste it in the texture. It tastes all natural. Absolutely delicious. You're not wrong. I love it too. There we go. There we are. Well, we are now very, very full.
Absolutely.
Right now, we're looking at places on Boracay Island, which will be a future video coming up because we're leaving tomorrow morning on the ferry to head over there, and we want to make sure we catch some really cool places. If you guys like these videos, these food videos, please don't forget to click like. And just subscribing is not enough. You gotta hit that bell.
Yeah.
And the reason is because YouTube, they want people to be hooked on their app, and so they just try to non-stop giving you new channels all the time, and so they will start to push other people's content instead of the ones you actually said subscribe to. So it's unusual that you have to hit that bell and subscribe, but you do. So give us the bell if you wouldn't mind. We appreciate it very much. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much for showing us.
Oh. Amazing, okay? She knows the places. I
Right,
swear.
right.
So you better.
Our official, unofficial tour guide. Yeah. We're just so grateful. So grateful. You know, subscribers like you guys make living here so much greater, and then traveling around the country.
Exactly,
You know,
exactly.
we wouldn't find half the places, 3/4, if not all the places, if it weren't for subscribers like you. So thank you all so much for joining us on this, and we'll see you all next time. Take care.
Bye.